On this episode, I'm going to focus more on my M5. I got a new front spoiler for it. I actually had this spoiler about 3 years ago, and so I'm going to reinstall it and secure it a little bit better. So let's go ahead and open up the package. This is how my front lip arrived in the mail. My M5 is dirty, so after installation, I'll wash it. I made my front splitters along with my side diffusers a couple years ago. I'm going to remove the front splitter so that I can test fit the front lip. I'm going to remove a few screws on the fender liner. That way I can peel it back and get access to the screws behind the bumper so I can pull it off. When I first installed this lip a few years ago, I didn't secure the middle, so at high speeds it would move and eventually it damaged the spoiler. So what I'm going to do now is use these steel plates and bend them so that I can secure the middle properly. This is how the bracket looks now that I trimmed it with bolt cutters, and then I shaped it using groove pliers and a vice grip. So now that my lip is on, I'm going to go ahead and pull my M5 out so I can give my car a good wash. And then afterwards, I want to take some pictures and maybe a little bit of video and feature the car with the new lip. I'll be using my foam cannon from Chemical Guys for this wash. For the wheels, I'll be using the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. And then for the soap, I'll be using the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash. This one's highly concentrated and produces a lot of suds, so I like using this one. And for the post wash, I like to spray a coat of the ceramic detailer from Meguiar's. This helps eliminate any type of streaks and provides an instant shine. As part of the drying process, I use the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. After I spray a coat in the area that I need to dry, I use a damp high GSM rag and spread the ceramic detailer evenly. And then after I do that, I switch to the same type of rag but a dry one this time. And as you can see while I'm wiping it down, all the spots lift up almost immediately and the shine is very vibrant and there are no streaks. That's going to wrap it for this episode. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.